Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rearrange channels on YouTube TV. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do, but you need to make sure that you cannot do it in your Roku TV or other TVs. You will have to use either the YouTube TV browser or YouTube TV application in order to arrange the channels. Now I'm going to show you this on my browser. So you need to come on youtubetv.com and you just have to simply log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, and then you need to go into your settings. Now in your settings, in the left hand section, you will be able to see the live guide option, but currently that option isn't showing to me. So you just have to simply click on the live guide option that you see in the left hand section, and once you click on that, you will see all of your channels in the list form. So you just have to simply drag and you can start rearranging that, and it's very simple. You just have to simply follow the steps. So you just have to drag and drop the channels, and you can simply rearrange the channel as per your need. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.